Alright, first and foremost, people. In my community where I live in Springfield district. And at 30 yard here, me no get pipe water. 30 yard here, because the pipe them damaged. And the pipe them now run. Ed Bartlett, me have this to say to you. You is no good. And God so tap you. God so give you strokes on your blood clot.
Don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Watch and bless your love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, land and lioness. How great it is to have life, health, and strength. How joyful it is to live in love and peace. You are the man of peace. Welcome to Lion Put TV. So I give thanks to life. Yeah, man, another day, you know. They were 6th of June. Are the 6th or the 5th? Yeah. But anyway, big up on yourself. On the way to work, Monday morning. Yesterday, DJs versus promoter. Good look. But it was fun, it was joyful. Big up all the patrons who turn out with them kids and have a good time. You know what I mean? I saw a lot of friends I haven't seen for a long time. And that is the joyful of keeping event, tournament. You get to meet up with people we haven't seen for a long time. So big up all of them friends, them, all of the male and female, them. Everybody big up on yourself. Well done, Breadback and Raiders. But anyway, we have some footage coming up for that event. We're a football tournament. Well done to the DJs, then win again, second year running. See, like the cycle break. Yes, man, so we have some footage for that forward soon. You know, the women's big up Petal, Lady Petal, and the whole female team who participate. You know what I mean? It's just a good look. You know what I mean? And yeah, women's football was a good look. See? The kids them also good look. See? But anyway, this vlog is about a lady, a share her frustration. See? About the government system in Jamaica. I know people are always sharing frustration. See? Don't forget to like and share the content. Please, I'm going to click the bell. Share. Just share the content someone else can hear. See? Help the channel grow. So me answer? Yeah, man, but anyway, please check out my new single titled Dear Lord. Welcome to Kingston EP. We have 6 songs on it. So I'm going to have a snippet of the Dear Lord. Zane. So we can go check it out, alright?
Is here my cry, Father? A long time me I hold you harder. I'm asking you to show what I'm the blessing so I can uplift myself. Also help my mother. A long time but I will not want to get up. Can't wait for the day compliment. Man can't.
Yeah, man, that Dear Lord. So we're going to play. Go and check out the songs, them, man. Music is the aim. And we are hunting down the fame. See me? Yeah, man, so here with the lady I say right now.
Alright, first and foremost, people. In my community where I live in Springfield district. And at 30 yard here, me no get pipe water. 30 yard here, because the pipe them damaged. And the pipe them now run. Ed Bartlett, me have this to say to you. You is no good. And God so tap you. God so give you strokes on your blood clot. You understand? Because guess what, you know good. You are one of the wicked blood clot tourist minister. First of all, a water and sea. A plane and sea you run by. You know run by road and then they say you're not busy with the road. You're not busy with nobody. Young good people are sell out. Jamaica people are sell out. Because guess what? You have to vote for your right. Andrew, you know say people them enough of the community need a community center. You know, tell your councillor, them your MPs, and enough of the community need a community center. You know, say China, them they underpay people. From 7 p.m. in the morning to 9:30 to 10 o'clock at $2,000. You know, see that? And when them ready for pay tax, them put in somebody in their space. You know, see that? Oh, you the depressed black people. You the depressed black people. They when say when somebody head or roll, you know, buy a few head or roll, Andrew. Buy a head a few head or roll. Marcus Garvey predict that. Why you wicked so to people? Why you wicked so to poor people? Why you be a bully? Why you quarrel like you so strict? Why labor is so strict and uno carrying the gun? And uno mostly carrying the gun? And uno make this disaster struck? And uno are the bad apple? And uno are the dirty vessel? Eh? One make you the come put on this up, but this and that. One make you couldn't sort out and make people sort out themselves. And you give poor people money if you put on, it look like you broke our country in a bankrupt, so you want to depress poor people and jolt every money where they have out of them. You also want to this country. Jamaica gone to the dog because crime will turn up till it buck and of your leadership. We not try vote him out. We not try vote him out at that time. We don't want to call the local government election because the fucker no say no lose. Eh? What make, me not say every law, when it's set, when time if you even smoke in your vehicle, and you feel dead in there, you're dead in there. And if you even wear a seatbelt, you feel dead in there, you're dead in there. What make you so wicked? Me that advise every young people to not vote for Andrew, but I want teacher and police and the whole I want run go vote for him. And so I don't get there. So I don't get there. Because Andrew don't have no mercy for the poor. You know, you ain't saying no give a bitter medicine and see the bitter medicine come here.
But they can't tap no man for smoke.
You can't tap no man for smoke. You can't tap no man for using phone. And you can't tap nobody for dead. Because people still out there, you can't tap that. Anyhow, everything tap in Jamaica, it tap in the whole world. You look a fool, you. You don't come for depressed poor people. Look on the road. And look, we nothing have no water and no light. And none of them they seen them, we don't have them, they seen them, we go sort out. More you put on strict rule on people. Right now, enough of the community not civilized. Because we don't have no water, we don't have no light. And we don't have no better road. You don't see that. But you cock up in the parliament, they with a fucking cup with a coffee, in the drink. And your big neck rich man, and your big girl them. But you know, see if we have mercy upon poor people, and the poor people when put today. You know, remember when you were in the Green Clerks? You know, remember when they play all of these bad man song? Now I'm going to PMP yard, and all these things, that be a tuggy man, you make no play for you. You know, remember all these things? But Andrew, as I tell you, God will put you down. If you not put it down early, if you not put it down soon, you will put down. Me I tell you, you pull down because you is no good. You is no good for the poor. You is no good. You come like a piece of shit where people shit on roadside and left it. And can't come running night. You is no good. God Almighty, God, me a woman and me can't tell you that. Because the rule them where you set, you is just a bully, Andrew. You is just a bully. Dr. Chang, you is a bully too. You is a bully and none of you no good because you whole of mix up in a crime. You whole of in a criminal activity. You whole of have no gang. You whole of have no bad man. The whole of none of no good. None of you no good. So if you have mercy upon poor people, look on the line, miss it on TV, upon the all anglings. Look on the line, they go pay a ticket. And then they say, if no charge the police them. But look what I'm in my country. You see what I'm in my country. You whip. Yeah. By be the next prime minister. By be the next prime minister or assassinate. Yeah. Remember me tell you that because you no good. You no good. You too wicked man. God Almighty God, if you have like a pity man. And where you come from, big nose boy, so wicked. Bumble clot, you wicked no bumble world do. You wicked, your pussy clot. You come like a dog, we have him puppy and name blood clot back and Joe. You too blood clot wicked, have mercy for the people them. Have mercy, have sympathy. Me not say somebody rule you make no truth the right. But have mercy. Have mercy, man. You feel say God have mercy upon you when you have mercy upon people. You feel say you run Jamaica, you can't set Jamaica. No, you can't set Jamaica, you no go.
Well, my viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think in the comment section. As I say, you know, wicked out there Jamaica. And until we see betterments, the crime and violence now going to stop. And these little things lead people to make drastic actions without thinking. So the youth them got the bus gun. Because them have to go look for them one. You see where them do the beryllium them. I rob the brinks them and all of them thing there. You know, those are lone frustration. Them not no other choice much more than for the run risk. See me? I know life would not indulge, you know, no wrongdoings, no robbery, no killing, nothing at all, but at the way of life, at the facts of life, and the thing that we face, so we have to admit it and speak it. You know what I mean? But let me know what you think in the comment section. See, I think this lady life would be or might be at risk for her coming out and lashing out like that and calling out the government and talking, you know, let me know what you think still about water gone for 30 years, no pipe water, no sir. Over a month now, the water in my place still. Because every day I talk to mama, she said, the water, my son, buy a tank, buy a big tank and pump. I know the new way that in the garrison, people buy them tank and full it up when water comes. So when water gone, them still have water. But this time, no water. Man, I'll push cat and I sell water now to blouse and skirt. But let me know when you think my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, as I said. Guidance and protection. See? Yeah, man, I big up everybody on the platform. I love and blessings, man. Cool shots.